Good morning, sir. My name is Harsh Ramani. I am studying second year CSCB. My identification is 192H1A05B4. I am studying Adi Shankar Institute of Technology. My topic is random access memory, how it is using in computer. I am saying random access memory in brief. Random access memory is an internal memory of CPU, stores the data and programming results. Random access memory is used to read, write the memory to store the data until the machineries are working. Random access memories are used 1 GB, 2 GB, 3 GB, at least 4 GB are used in random access memory. Random access memory index, introduction, history, technology, block of diagram, position and structure, types of RAM, differentiation, capacitor to store, manufacturing companies, advantages and disadvantages. Random access memory introduction. Random access memory is the best known form of a computer. Random access memory considers the valid memory, which means that stores the information a lot when there is no power. Random access memory is made up of a small memory chips that form memory models. Whenever you open a program, it gets loaded form of hard drive into random access memory. This is because of reading the data from random access memory must be faster than random access memory from hard drive. Random access memory history. Random access memory was invented by Robotic Health Dronide. Technologies of random access memory. Types and year. FPM was invented in 1990. EDO was invented in 1994. SDRAM invented in 1996. SDRAM invented in 1998. DDR-SDRAM invented in 2000. DDR2 SDRAM invented in 2003. DDR3 SDRAM invented in 2007. DDR4 SDRAM invented in 2012. Random access memory block of diagram. There are mainly 4 inputs and 1 outputs are used in random access memory. This is a block of diagram of random access memory. It is a block of diagram introduction in main interference of computer. H6 to select SR cable and disable the random access memory. ADRS specify the address, location, read from or write to. W are selected between read from or writing to memory. To read from the memory, WR should be set to 0. Output will be an n bits value stores ADRS. To write the memory view, set WR equals to 1. Data is an n bits value stores in memory. Random access memory position they are using in this computer. These are 2 diagrams are used in random access memory. Types of random access memory. They are mainly divided into 2 types, SRAM or DRAM. The full form of SRAM, static random access memory, and DR, dynamic random access memory. Type of random access memory. SRAM, random access memory. The static random access memory holds the data in static form as long as the memory has power. Each bit stores a 4 transaction that forms 2 across the couple invented. The SDRAM invented dynamic random access is called dynamic because it must be an constant in the refreshing that losing the data very short time. Dynamic random access stores each bits of data in separating capacitors within the integrating circuits. Differences between SRAM and DRAM. It requires less memory, it requires more memory. Access the time is low, access the time is more. Do not refresh, need to refresh. Faster access time, slower access time. More power consumption, less power consumption. Used in cache memory, it is used in main memory. Manufacturing companies of random access memory. ASUS, Buffer Technologies, Centroids, ENON, Chain Technology. These are mainly used in this random access memory. Advantages and disadvantages. The program will be loaded, must be transformer. The power affecting that across must be less power, thus drive. Disadvantages. The Valentine power outage will be crossing the irresponsible data loss. Space limiting cost for bit is higher.